1. What is up, guys? We are back with another stream. We got me, we got Kyle. Say what's up, Kyle.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to the stream. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, baby, welcome to the stream. Oh, I just bumped my mic. Very cool.
Thank you, everyone who's already waiting in the stream, already liked the stream. If you guys just got in here, make sure you guys like the stream. But yeah, we're going to be talking about what happened with the cryptocurrency market today. We're going to be talking about even what happened with the stock market today because it's kind of related. But yeah, so we're going to be going over all of that today. And much more. Thank you, everyone who was already commenting as well. What's up, Udo? What's up?
Shout out everybody in the chat.
Did I say Udo right? Is it Udo or Udo?
Udo Mueller. Udo Mueller, what's up? Welcome. Thank you for being a member. And Jason with the 2. What's up, guys? I tweeted you yesterday. I feel like I saw that. I don't know. I don't think I have my Twitter notifications set up right. I gotta look more.
I'm logged into my Twitter on the computer, and I don't think I've been on Twitter since yesterday. So,
but shout out you. Thanks for the.
But tweet. Yeah, thanks for tweeting us, and thanks for the $2, Jason. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate everyone for coming through. I just want to take another minute to let some people get in here so we can talk about things without getting asked.
We got Cookie Time. What's up, Cookie Time? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
Hey, we got some members in here today. Let's go.
What do you think about Shinobi? 10K Twitter followers and holders in less than a month and 100 million market cap right now. We were going to talk about Shinobi yesterday, I think, right? Were we?
Yeah, so I think I got confused with all these different Shib ecosystem things. Hold on. I'm actually going to move my mic closer in a second. But what's it called? I'm pretty sure I got it confused with another one. But another cryptocurrency similar to Shinobi was taking like the Shib name and saying, oh, we're going to burn like 1% of transactions or whatever that we get into Shib or whatever. Pretty sure that was a scam. Don't know if that was Shinobi. I looked into Shinobi yesterday after the stream, and I just don't see much utility with it. I just don't see why you'd like take your money out of Shib and put it there. I don't see much of a use for that personally. But a lot of people see $100 million market cap and think, wow, we can, if it just gets to Shib's market cap, I can be like a millionaire, but it will never get to Shib's market cap in my opinion.
Yeah, I just think Shib has number one, the community is way bigger, obviously. But number 2, Shiba Inu also has the listings on its side, right? It's super accessible. It's way more favored by exchanges, and just overall, I think that coin has a long ways to go before it can really start to compete with Shiba Inu. Yeah,
that could have been there could be an argument being made that like since they don't have the listings, if they can get listings in the future, it can get more gains than Shiba Inu Coin. But there's no guarantee that they will get listings, and I just personally don't think they would get listings unless they really updated their coin and really upgraded it a lot.
Right.
But yeah, so
real quick, guys, we have 51 people in the stream. Make sure you guys hit the like button on the stream, whether you're on mobile or on desktop. You can do it either way. It's an easy way to support the channel. And when you guys like the stream, it helps us out because it gets more people in here, more people in the chat, more people that we can talk to. And it's just overall a great thing to do for the stream. And if you guys want to talk to more people and see us interact with more people, and of course answer questions and all that fun stuff, so like the stream if you haven't already. Holy crap, we were at 17 likes and now we're at 26 likes. That was crazy, guys. Good stuff.
Awesome. Appreciate you guys. 30 likes. All right, cool.
Wow.
So let's go over what happened with Shiba Inu Coin today. I'm sure we'll have to do the spiel again. Of course. But really, we're outperforming the market today, guys. If you guys didn't watch my latest video that I just made, Bitcoin down 5%, Ethereum down 7%, pretty much the whole market down at least 5 to 10%. Obviously, there's things like Matic, which I personally hold, and Kyle and I really like, up 40% over the last 7 days, just absolutely not listening to what's happening.
Matic.
Really solves a lot of problems with Ethereum, and obviously that's been helping out its
also
price.
It's purple.
It is purple.
If you guys like purple pretty sick.
It is a cool color. I would agree with you. But yeah, anyways, Shiba Inu Coin kind of outperforming the market today, and that's what we like to see. A lot of people might see Shib being down 4 to 5% today and be like, wow, dang, it's not going to come back up. No, like crypto and the stock market are down in general, and that's the reason why Shiba Inu Coin is down. There's no news that came out today. I couldn't find a single piece of news personally. And
yeah, it was very difficult today. Unfortunately, there's not all I could really find. Really, is again we have the whales.
Yeah,
the whales are buying, guys. Hey, listen, I know we keep saying this, but and I say this in every video too. The whales are, for the most part, one of the major factors in the movement of this coin. Again, catalysts are very important, and I will totally, obviously, disclose that. But again, the whales buy, typically, we see the whales buy before major breakouts. Every major breakout we've seen with Shiba Inu, we've seen a massive amount of whale buying pressure right before that breakout. So again, the whales are the smart money, right? That is where most of the millionaires, I mean, I doubt there's some billionaires, but it's mostly millionaires who are putting money, crypto millionaires, that is, at least, who are putting their money into Shiba Inu at these specific price points, and they're just trying to collect as much as possible before the next rally. And in my opinion, we are somewhere, I don't know how close, but we're somewhere in striking distance of the next rally. And again, I don't know exactly when that's going to be. We have to see a little bit more consolidation. I'm glad we've recovered from the lows that we saw just this morning, because I know a lot of people were getting a little bit scared, a little bit sketched out. But again, this is not for the faint of heart. You know, Shiba Inu is very volatile, and that being said, you guys have to be able to manage your risk and not have too much money in it to begin with, where, you know, you're freaking out every time it drops more than 2%, right? Very important.
Yep. So let's go over a question from Udo. Let me know if I'm saying your name wrong. Question: there are tokens and coins coming out every day. I personally believe there will be an end soon of new tokens in masses as it is right now. So yeah, I think what you're trying to ask from my perspective, what you're trying to ask is like, are these new tokens going to stop getting so much steam, or like getting so much money into their, like, these $1 billion market cap coins that come out of nowhere and have no real utility? I think that will be stopping soon, and anything that really doesn't have utility, there will be a bubble to be popped. But all these top 20 cryptos that actually serve the crypto community, I think those are gonna stay, and that bubble won't pop. But obviously, I think that, I said obviously again, I gotta stop saying obviously. It's like my new but anyways, and I just said Dude, what was I trying to say?
Right now,
like right now, I'm just like thinking of all the different things.
What he meant to say is basically that the tokens will continue to come out so long as there is demand for the tokens. As the demand,
yeah, but I think the demand will be going away soon. Personally, I think the demand's going to go away.
It seems like it. I think we're going to be stuck, or not stuck with, rather, but at least the major coins that make it out of this, Shiba Inu, for instance, maybe even Safe Moon a little bit. You know, and I'm trying to Saitama, maybe. You know, a lot of these coins that have actual use cases, they have projects, they have fundamentals behind them, and they have a community of people who are obviously updating them on a pretty consistent basis. Those are the coins that are going to survive, in my opinion, and especially and beyond just the fall of relevance, if you will, on some of these smaller coin or smaller cap projects. What I'm more talking about is like the next bear market, for instance. Like the bear market, there are even major cryptocurrency projects that are not going to survive the bear market. But that being said, I don't know really if we're going to see a bear market anytime soon. If anything, there's more and more money every single day being poured into the cryptocurrency market as a whole. And unless major regulation or speculation or rules or what have you comes out about it, I really don't think we're going to see anything, too terrible happen very soon. That's my take.
Agreed. Yeah, we got 93 people in here. If you guys haven't already, leave a like.
The stream.
Kyle, can you take over for a second?
Yep. All right, we're taking over, baby. Hey, everybody.
I'll be right back.
You're good. I'll take over the stream. All right, so guys, chat right now. Leave something in the comments below, guys. Let's see what you guys got. I want to read your guys' opinions, your questions, whatever. I'll try to answer everything as I go. Do you still believe Shiba will still eat a zero by the end of the month? All right, so but the end of the month, obviously, we're going into 2022 now. So that means obviously number one, obviously the new year. Number two, we tend to see a lot of volatility around this, month of December in both the stock and the crypto markets, and it's simply because a lot of people are selling out before the new year because they don't want to be affected by the next year's tax laws, and that's in both the stock and crypto markets. Now, again, there's not much regulation that's been pushed forward in the crypto markets yet, or at least that we know of. But again, I wouldn't be surprised if in 2022 a big emphasis on crypto regulation is starting to kind of push that narrative is starting to get pushed kind of into the mainstream. I would not be surprised. So again, whether or not Shib deletes a zero, I don't know. It might be a little volatile month here. But that being said, as long as they can consolidate and start to trade in a tight, stable pattern, I do think that we would set ourselves up for a future breakout hopefully sooner rather than later, but we have to see. Sup, guys, like your lives. Thank you, Leon. Appreciate that.
What's it called? I got a take on that. So I think that crypto regulation is going to be coming in 2022 as well, but I think it's actually going to be a positive thing because right now there's a lot of uncertainty around crypto regulation. And that kind of keeps some people out of the market. So while some people might see it as a negative, if you're abiding by everything that, like if the different cryptos are abiding by all the rules and everything, they're going to be winning. And Shiba Inu Coin has always said they're doing things by the book, so we're chilling with that. Also, I'd like to say thank you, Jag, for coming through. He's been like literally in our comment section being like, I keep missing your lives. You told me it was going to be at a certain time and it was at a different time. Appreciate you for coming through. Appreciate all of you guys for coming through today. Leave a like on the stream if you haven't already. We'll try to get some more people in here.
And comment, guys. Let us know. We're here to talk to you guys, you know, try to communicate with you guys, see if we can help bring more information to you guys or a new perspective, whatever it is that might be helpful to you guys at the end of the day. It doesn't even have to be crypto related if you want, you know, if you want to like ask me like how to tie your shoe, like I got you.
Yeah. And now let's go over kind of what happened today, why the stock market's down, why the crypto market was down. So really what I saw was there was a few things. One was the jobs report. Now we're not going to get political on here, obviously. Some of these are very political and comment on Joe Biden's job he's doing in the White House. We're not going to be commenting on any of that. We're going to be going over purely numbers. So I mean, this is a really good tweet right here I found, is that gas prices continue to soar, inflation is out of control, and another disappointing jobs report. Now, some of that is a little bit of opinion right there. Charged that's not, but it's all true, is what I'm trying to say. I mean, there's no debating that. And then the November jobs report, 573,000 jobs were predicted, and then this morning it was reported 210,000 were delivered. So that is an underperformance like crazy. Now, obviously, we're not going to be going over his second comment here. We're trying to keep everything straight down the aisle. But the jobs report, not good. Not good. 594,000 people were back in the labor pool, however, so that is good news. I really like this tweet as well. The 594,000 back in the labor pool, but only 210,000 of those people actually got jobs when the estimate was about 550,000. So we have inflation, and then this jobs report obviously is not a good thing. And inflation has been talking, or Jerome Powell has been talking about inflation and how it's possibly not transitory and it's here to stay. So all of that has contributed to the stock market being down today, as well as the crypto market. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum just falling like a knife right now. Bitcoin's at almost under $1 trillion market cap at this point, and Ethereum is down to $4,200 as well. Not to say that we can't bounce back, however, it's just not looking too hot right now.
Okay, sorry, I had to sneeze. All right, yeah. Well, pretty much everything Zach said is 100% factual. Again, we had the numbers to back it up too. We're looking at some very interesting economic, circumstances, you could call them, here in the next couple of months. But that being said, it's still a great time to take care of opportunities in both the stock and the crypto markets. Now, again, Shiba Inu is one example of this. There's a million other projects and stocks that Zach and I are both actively taking advantage of. And again, one of the best ways to fight inflation, guys, you have to find assets that give you a yield, right? Whether that's crypto, whether that's stocks, whatever it is, the best way to fight inflation is to find something that obviously is going to increase the value of your cash and not decrease it in the first place. And again, that's why that's why people invest. That's why we're invested, and so on and so forth. So yeah, Zach hit it pretty much on the head. The issue on the head of the nail on the hammer. Yep. Yeah, exactly. Anyways, let's read the chat. Hello from Venezuela. What's up, Miguel? Mazur Radio says, "Bing bong." Shout out you guys.
Bing bong.
Love that. Let's go. Oh, all right. I am in Kansas. I had almost read that. Didn't want to read that on stream. We're just trying to keep it non-political here, even though we just read a whole jobs report. Either way, it's all
That's not
good.
Political. A jobs report is not political.
It's data. It's just data, Like, people can make their own decisions.
That has, what's it called? The things can be political and obviously detrimental to the stock and crypto market, and I'm going to talk about it. So,
oh, of course. I mean, like we're not, we're not going to shy away from nothing, guys. You guys know us. We're keep it real, as the kids would say. How much Shib do you guys own? A lot, too much. Next question: would Robinhood even help us burn like we thought Kraken would?
I don't think
didn't really do.
I don't think we thought that Kraken or Robinhood would be helping us burn any coins.
Yeah, I was not under the assumption of that. The only thing I've ever assumed about Robinhood and Kraken is the fact that it is a large cap list that people have been waiting on for a long time. The only thing I really assumed that would happen if we saw a Kraken or Robinhood exchange listing was a spike in price, which so far Kraken has pretty much fulfilled that prophecy pretty much exactly the way I expected it to play out. And Robinhood is really kind of the last major stronghold or front, I guess you could say, for that next pump that we're all waiting for and expecting. And again, I don't know how big it's going to be. I expect it to be disgustingly huge. Well, I hope it's disgustingly huge, obviously. But again, that kind of remains to be seen.
I think if Kraken did 30%, I can see Shib doing 300%.
I think it's super possible. Yeah, 100%.
And after that, people FOMO in. And I just have no clue where it would go from there. I just know that after we are listed on Robinhood, if we do get listed on Robinhood, it'll just be open us up to a huge new active user base. That would be massive.
Agreed. Wow, I just muted my mic. Nice. Agreed, and more agreed. We got lots of people in the chat talking about Guppy. I've never heard of that before. Do you guys only talk about Shiba? No, we do not only talk about Shiba. We are starting to kind of expand our streams out a little bit more and start to talk about just different things concerning crypto or investing or anything like that. And we're kind of working through it as you guys are watching me. So, you guys get to kind of be here and witness the rise to stardom, if you will. And again, if you guys haven't already, we have 110 people watching the stream. Like the stream, guys. Let's get this freaking stream to 100 likes, guys. We're already halfway there, more than halfway there. We're 57 likes right now. If you guys get this to 100 likes, I don't know. What should we do? Should we do anything? Just get it to 100 likes. Oh, well, 61 likes.
We'll do something. We'll do something at 200. We'll invest $25 at 200 likes. How about that?
200 likes, guys. $25 into Shib.
Yeah.
Into
into VTI.
Oh, VTI.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, into Shib.
What's your price prediction before the end of the year without a Robinhood listing? You got an answer for that? I mean, I have a tentative answer.
Yeah, so I just really think that we are going to have a breakout. So if we look at Shib and what it's done over the past let's go 3 months. It had its initial run up obviously in the beginning of October, and then we just kind of traded sideways. And then we had another run up, and it's way overdue in my opinion for another run up here very soon. We're going to break out a consolidation, and I think as soon as we break out a consolidation for real, we get above the 56 mark, I think it's just going to it's going to be soon after that, days after we break out of the 56 resistance level, that we go to delete a zero, which from here would be about 125%, maybe 150%. Yeah, 150%.
Oh, at least, yeah.
It would be 150% from here. So if we break out a consolidation, get above that 56 resistance, we don't even need a Robinhood listing. If we get the Robinhood listing, that's a whole nother thing. I think we can delete a zero and much more too. So
indeed. Real quick, go to Watcher Guru's Twitter. We have a little piece of breaking news here that is related to the cryptocurrency.
Wait one second. I do want to say that for cookie time, I'll take a shot if it's 100 likes.
Oh, at 100 likes, you take a shot? All right, let's see it. Woo! Anyways, if you go down here, as you can see, just in Takeoff from the Migos is launching a NFT project called Apes in Space. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Migos, or at least Takeoff, has their own NFT project that they are launching now. Very cool stuff. Also, too, this is a little, in my opinion, it's a little too similar to Bored Ape Yacht Club, but I mean, hey, that's what sells, right? That's good.
Yeah, I mean, it is similar, but I'm sure they have different differences.
Yeah, I would be very excited to see how well this project does, though. This is the first celebrity NFT collection that I've really seen so far, I think. Right?
I'm excited. Yeah, kind of Gary Vee obviously has his NFTs, but honestly, I'm excited to see if there's any like utility here, like it gives any of these NFTs
concert tickets.
Like say you know
really
backstage cool. passes for like a select few. Like I'd be excited to see if you know they do any of that, or if it's just simply the image.
Oh yeah. And you know, there's so much potential there, and I really hope they realize it. And it's not just like buy my NFT and then they buy it and then there's nothing, you know, coupled with it. Like that would suck, obviously.
Yeah.
Again, what do you think about the overall price right now, as far as like what we're looking at technically? Because again, it's not beautiful.
Yeah. So right here, we've been going over this in all the streams in the past.
This is Shiba Inu, by the way. We switched.
Were you guys in? Or sorry, Kyle, were you there yesterday with me?
I was not. I don't think I managed to make it to the.
Oh, okay.
Wait, was I?
No, I don't think you were actually. Wait.
Was it? No. Wait. So
I don't know. Yeah, whatever.
I don't remember.
So we broke his support. Obviously, we knew this. We broke his support. And then last night, we tried to break this resistance that was our previous support at the 44. Obviously, we couldn't do that. And then we just sold off through the day because of this whole jobs report, crypto news, everything of that nature. But obviously, after that whale bought, people were a bit excited. The volume was kicking back up. Everything was looking good. And then just the crypto market just took a dump. But we are still above our support here at the 40 level. Now obviously we tried to test going below it. I believe at one point we hit 39, but it's all about candlesticks here. So if we get a candlestick below this 40 level, then it would be time to say, hey, we're probably going to go back to this support at the 36 37-ish level. But we are still above the support for now. We'll have to see where this goes in the next day. You know, we are still trending down on the MACD, and currently the RSI is at 40, so it definitely could continue to go down, and it would be a really good opportunity to buy at around the 37 range, in my opinion. That's what I'll probably be doing. Obviously, don't just buy because I said that. Do your own research, but that's kind of what I'm seeing. Is we're still above the support at the 40, so we're chilling there, but we if we do break it, we have another support at 37, so that'd be another 8 to 10% in losses that we could see in the next day if we do break this support.
100%. Somebody said, can you talk about the bull run in 2017 and 2021? What does that even mean? I hear people talk about it. Okay, so crypto, and this is not just a crypto thing, this is in stocks too, you can see this. There are these different kind of periods of time, right? We have a bull run and we have a bear run, or so a bull market and a bear market, right? The bull market is a market that is, for the most part, doing very well. This is a very green market. This is a market that's full of oh my god, my voice, dude. Buyers, way more full of buyers than there are sellers. In a bear market, we're seeing the opposite of that. We're seeing much more sellers than there are buyers. We're seeing a lot more red. Just overall, there's a lot more volatility and, I guess, anxiety and fear, or FUD, if you know, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market in a bear market versus in a bull market. Now, the bull market that we saw in crypto in 2017 was when Bitcoin first started to hit some of its new highs. That was a very, very exciting time to be in crypto. Unfortunately, I was not really much into crypto at that time. I was more in the stock market, if anything, and I was still in like high school, I believe, at that time. Anyways, which, I mean, that's not really an excuse, but either way, that was like the first kind of major bull market that we saw. We saw kind of Bitcoin and just most of the other projects slip into a bear market once again for a couple of years, and I believe in 2020 they kind of kicked off, or even was it 2019? I think it was mostly 2020, right? Where we saw crypto basically is now making a insane comeback. We've been on a kind of bull market ever since, right? And I feel like there's a lot of people who are just getting into crypto now and aren't familiar with the fact that there are bear markets in crypto, or they aren't familiar with the fact that there could be a bear market at any time, or well, not any time, but again, if the right circumstances were to play out, we could see a massive drop in a lot of cryptocurrencies, especially even the bigger projects that seem invincible, right? So that is something to be aware of. It is something to take into account. But again, if you're in some of this stuff for the long term, if you believe in a project, and its fundamentals and everything that it stands for, I know plenty of people who bought during the 2017 bull market and held through the bear markets in between, and they were still, they were completely fine. They ended up, either making back more, if not double, what they were holding originally, just because they held on to it and they didn't sell, right? So again, you gotta have conviction. Conviction is so important, especially when you're looking at this from a wider time frame, right, over the next couple of years. Very important.
Cool. Yeah.
Boom.
Agreed.
Very good. Good take.
Good
Okay,
take. No. So what's it called? I was wondering. I have a question to ask you, Kyle.
Yeah. Oh wait, hold on.
Are you allowed to
time
take
this guy out again? He's back. Oh my god. All right, I'm just gonna ban you, buddy. Sorry, you're gone.
Did you time him out?
I did. I thought he would chill, but he's not chilling, bro. You gotta chill, bro. You gotta chill.
I don't
the
think
Lost
you did
Pennsylvania Skill Machine Archives. Nobody cares, bro. You gotta chill. You gotta chill, bro. If you posted it once and not like a spammy little way, I probably would have responded to it. But sorry.
Yeah. So, anyways, now that that guy's gone,
What were you gonna ask me? My bad.
I was gonna ask. What's it called? Are we allowed to take a shot on stream? I was wondering.
I don't know about that. We are approaching 100 likes rapidly. So, yeah,
I just won't show the bottle.
Yeah. Just know he's doing it. He's doing it.
I'll do it on camera. I just won't show the bottle.
Oh, yeah. You're just drinking Coke.
I'm drinking water.
It's water.
It's definitely not Grey Goose. It's definitely not that.
We don't do that.
But anyways, okay, let's try to see what's up with the crypto markets right now. Is buying every new support a good strategy for this coin? I think a good strategy for the coin is honestly, yes, I do buy at support lines because that is what most traders do, obviously. But also just investing in a consistent way. So even if it's every day, like $10, every week, $10 or $100, whatever you can do, I think that's better just because you're consistently doing it. And when Shiba Inu Coin eventually does take off, then you are going to be in a good position and have bought at the lows as well as, sometimes the highs.
Bag.
You will come up on a big bag, in my opinion. That's how I invest in the stock market. That's how I try to invest in the crypto market too. But yes, I do buy at these support lines. Right now, I'm just a little bit wary of us breaking this support line, like as we're talking. But I would be more inclined to buy at the 37 level personally. With a larger amount of money, like
Dude,
say,
Cookie Time's taking a hit, bro. Sorry, I just thought that was worth highlighting, worth mentioning.
You go for it, Cookie Time. I mean, 3 more likes, and I don't think Kyle will be taking a.
Dude, it's not even close. It's like downstairs. I gotta go like dig through some cabinet to go find it.
No, mine's on hand. I'm in college, you know what I'm saying. But anyway,
Zach's so cool, bro. He's so college.
Hey, just wait till we're living together next year.
Yeah, just wait till we can do it on stream. We should do a subathon, bro.
We'll do a subathon, and every 100 channel members, then we will take a shot. You know.
Yes.
We'll.
I think we'll die if we do that, but
no, it's
well, I mean, 100 channel members, that's a lot. Unless we start just getting like
maybe every 10 channel members or something like that, depending on where we're at. Anyways, do a lot of people trade? Oh, there's 100 likes. Okay, Kyle, take over.
All right. Anyways, Walmart.
Wait, do the public.
Hey, public spiel, pull public. Guys, if you guys don't have a platform that you are currently holding Shiba Inu token on, if you don't have a platform that you're even trading on to begin with, and you guys want to get started in either the stock or the crypto markets, or if you already have an account and you want to make another one, hit the link down in the description below. I'm also going to post it in the chat here really quick, guys, for public.com. Public is a social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling in both the stock and the crypto markets. It is a social media service that allows you to see other investors and their portfolios. You can see what they're buying, what they're selling, and of course what they're talking about. And when you guys use our link in the description below and in the chat, you guys get a free stock that could be worth up to $70, and it's usually a great selection of companies like Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Disney, all those types of big names in the stock market. Plus they have Shiba Inu on their platform as well that you guys can start trading as well. And I believe Zach just finished up his water.
Yep. So I haven't taken it yet, but
okay, got it.
We'll go full screen for this.
Full screen, baby.
This is definitely water, and not.
This is only water, guys. This is only water. Look, water bottle.
Fair enough, right?
Bottle. Yep.
Yeah. See, I got water right here.
We got water.
I'm gonna try to take it like a man, but we'll have to see. It's straight vodka. It's water. Okay.
Does anyone have any suggestions for him? Any suggestions? Dreamers, people, chill.
Ban him.
Yep, he's gone. You're banned. You're done. All right, water. Oh, you're crazy. You're crazy, bro. Oh, whoa, dude. Watch out.